Have you been feeling an unbearable heat lately? The scorching daylight temperatures lingers into the night, with humid conditions forcing many to keep their windows open, fans on, and AC units on high. But what's behind the high temperatures? According to the director of the Met Service, Andre Jouaé, brewing adverse weather in the Atlantic is to blame for the heat wave.
Normally, when you have a tropical system around, especially a hurricane or a tropical storm, all the moisture moves towards that system. It's being drawn towards the cyclone. So the other areas that are not being affected by the hurricane, it's normally fair weather, but also has that element of heat. So we're experiencing very dry and hot conditions. And that has been happening over the past month, August into September.
The Atlantic hurricane season continues to live up to the predictions. A Category 3 hurricane has been cited as the cause for the current high heat.
Presently, we have Hurricane Larry, which is located to the north of the islands. And on its present track, Hurricane Larry, which is a Category 3 hurricane, is moving northwestward towards the island of Bermuda. So on its path, it will not affect the Los Angeles. We are being affected indirectly because of the heat.
Closely following the path of Larry are two tropical waves, Jouaé says may provide some reprieve from the sweltering conditions.
We have two tropical waves, one about 2 days away and the other about 4 days away. So these systems, we're hoping that they would give us some kind of rainfall that would alleviate the heat. But for the first one, which is 2 days away, it looks like a weak tropical wave, so we're not expecting much from it. The second one is a little more developed, so it would have some convection. And we're expecting in the next 4 days, by Thursday, Friday, that we could get some showers.
The Met Services Director says the situation is being closely monitored. He reminds the general public to take heed of the daily weather forecasts, especially during what scientists expect will be a very active hurricane season. Solange Alfred, HTS News Force.